That's junk. We don't need it. We just need the bag.
Fire up your lighter, float on with the waves.
Guys, it's your girl Queen I, and today I'm back with an unboxing. Telfar was having an event on their website where, because their bags are really hard to get your hands on, so they had an event on their website for the whole day, 24 hours. You could pick any color and any size bag, and they will be shipped to you somewhere between December and January. So I was like, you know what? I wake up every time to try to get these bags. And if you've tried to get a Telfar bag, you know the struggles of how it is trying to get one of these bags. So I said, you know what? I'm not really in a rush for the bag. So let me just technically pre-order it and just get it in December. So they're here and let me show you. I'm so excited. So I have the box here. I already cut it open. But on the box it says Telfar. The other side has my address, but I'm gonna just open it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, good packaging, cute. It's not all that cute, but whatever. Okay, so this is just my receipt. So basically, I got 2 small bags. They are $150 each. I got a small silver and a small black. So this is how the bag comes packaged. That's their logo. Ooh, I wonder what color this is. Small black shopper. Oh my god, this bag is so tiny. What do you have? Wait, but hold on. I watched so much of these videos and I did not know the bag was this small. This is small, but their medium is like a large. Their medium is like so big. I'm so weak that this bag is really this tiny, like. But yeah, this is so cute though. I'm like, recently, like, I used to be a girl that loves big bags, but now I'm like, everything has to be a small bag. Like, when I go to work, I just have to have a small bag and everything needs to fit in that one small bag. So let me show you guys the inside of the bag. So that is the inside. The tag is here. What's this? Oh, this is like one of those little things that, you know. But look, it has a little logo. It does not have a pocket inside the bag. It's just literally a black hole. So cute. I actually really like this bag. I got big boobs, so I hope it goes over. What the hell is this? Whatever. Toss that over there. This is the one I'm really excited for because I literally don't have anything like it. So I really am excited for this silver bag. That's junk. We don't need it. We just need the bag. I kind of like the silver more than I like the black. Telfar silver. So it comes with the little logo. And then also it looks the same, but it's white on the inside, like a creamish white color. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what fits in this bag. And which one do you think I should fill up? The black one or the silver one? Decisions. I think I'm gonna fill up the black one because everybody likes black. So this is the bag that I'm currently carrying. This is a Phillip Lim bag. I got it at a sample sale. $260 sample sale to be exact, and I'm gonna show you guys what can fit in my black Telfar bag. Start off with what's on this side. This is my pepper spray. I live in New York, so you never know when you gotta spray it.
I got my card holder. Got some money. $10. Receipt. I don't need that. That's garbage. Some more money. Damn. I got my mask, a squeegee piece, charger, some lotion,
let's start off with the most important thing, the money. But this I'm putting in here. Just throw my pepper spray in here too. My lotion. Dump those keys in there. So far, oh, the bag is filling up. It's not so bent up. My Metro card, my money. Just stuff the money in there. But look, it's filled up and it's not so bent up. Let's see if it closes. So I stuffed everything in there. Wait, I gotta stuff it some more, stuff it down some more. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's not gonna snap. But I'm pretty sure if I take something out, it will close. But it looks cute when it's full. It don't look so small now. Let me show you how it looks with me standing up. Yeah guys, so let me know what you think about the Telfar bag. Comment down below which color you like the best. If you like silver, if you like black, let me know which one you like. Let me know if you're going to be purchasing a Telfar bag and what color bag do you want. These come in a range of colors. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Comment, rate, subscribe, show me some love. I'm gonna link my last video about me making my bed and how I did it and how I achieved this luxurious hotel look. That will be down below also. So see you guys later. Bye.